Well, it's about to get real now.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for Fulton County, Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, southern Marshall County, Indiana, northeastern Pulaski County, northwest Indiana, southeastern Stark County, northwest Indiana, until 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. Central Standard Time at 2:12 p.m. Central Standard Time. A severe squall line capable of producing tornadoes that may not be visible due to heavy rain was located along the line extending from 6 miles southeast of North Judson to Winnemac to 7 miles southeast of Winnemac and moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado, small hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Culver and Rochester around 3:25 p.m. Plymouth and Akron around 3:30 p.m. Mentone and Brogan around 3:35 p.m. Winona Lake and Warsaw around 3:45 p.m. Syracuse and North Webster around 3:50 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Rutland, Max and Cucky, Hibbert, Bar Oak, Lake Manitou, Athens, Twin Lakes, Walnut, Tyers, and Talma. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Kosciuszko, Marshall, Pulaski, and